Hi guys, welcome to my channel MateABC, and today's video is the second part of lesson 1 of arithmetic natural numbers. And today we're going to see multiplication properties. The first one is binary. And what does it mean? Well, that you need two elements of the natural numbers so you can't multiply them. An example, you have 2 and 3, so you can multiply 2 times 3. The second one is close, and it says that you have this product A times B, and it belongs to the natural numbers. The third one is commutative, and it says that the order of the factors of the product doesn't matter. Why? Because you have A times B equals 2B times A. An example, 3 times 2 is 6, no? And also 2 times 3 equals 6. The fourth one is associative, and it says that the multiplication of this A times brackets B times C equals to A times B times C, and this is invariant with respect to order of operations. So as we can see, 2 times 3 times 4 equals to 2 times 3 times 4. So as we can see, this is 2 times 12 equals to 6 times 4, and this is 24 and this is 24, so this is right. The fifth one is the identity element, and it says that any number multiplies by 1 is itself. So x times 1 equals to 1 times x, and this is equals to x. And finally, the distributive property, and it says that and it says that holds with respect to multiplication over addition. This identity is of prime of importance in simplifying algebraic expressions. As we can see. So for example, we have 2 times 1 times plus 4 equals to 2 times 1 plus 2 times 4, and this is 2 plus 8, which is equal to 10, and the other side we have 2 times 5, and this is equals to 10. So here we have. Thank you for watching my video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for support. See you next video.